Hello po mga kasikat. Ako po si Master Crisanto Cuevas ng GSF Raven Sikaran. GSF Raven Sikaran po ay isang club ng Global Sikaran Federation. Ako po ay may ranggong 8th degree black belt. Ako po ay member ng Board of Trustees at Secretary General, at the same time spokesperson ng aming organization ng Global Sikaran Federation. Global Sikaran Federation po ay mayroong GHQ or General Headquarters sa abroad na matatagpuan po sa Delano, California. At siyempre po, meron po tayong General Headquarters din sa Pilipinas na matatagpuan po sa Bayan ng Tanay, Probinsya ng Rizal. Ang Sikaran po ay nagmula sa Sitio ng Baras, Bayan ng Tanay, Lalawigan ng Rizal. Tama po mga kasikat, dahil po ang Baras ay dati pong Sitio ng Tanay, at noong taong 1920 lang naman po sila humiwalay sa Bayan ng Tanay at naging ganap na bayan sa probinsya ng Rizal. Ang Sikaran po ay may dalawang kategorya. Una, ang modern Sikaran. Pangalawa ay ang traditional Sikaran. Doon po napapabilang ang aming organisasyon na Global Sikaran Federation sa traditional Sikaran. Aming pong organisasyon ay patuloy na lumalakas at dumarami ang mga miyembro. Sa katunayan, kami po ay may taunang Sikaran Tournament. Una, sa buwan po ng April. Pangalawa, sa buwan ng July. Pangatlo, sa buwan ng September. At ang buwan po ng November, ang aming taunang National Tournament. Ang Sikaran po ay mayroon ng accreditation sa Bayan ng Baras. Meron din pong accreditation sa Bayan ng Tanay. At nagkaroon din po ng accreditation sa panlalawigan ng Rizal. Sa kasalukuyan po, meron na pong Sikaran Ordinance ang province ng Rizal noong taong 2010 na may pamagat pong Sikaran Ordinance or Ordinance 002 declaring the Sikaran as a provincial sports. Kaya po mga kasikat, pakinggan niyo po ang nilalaman ng Sikaran Ordinance para po lubos na maintindihan at maunawaan ng bawat bayan sa probinsya ng Rizal, bawat barangay, lahat ng eskwelahan, at lalong-lalo na sa member ng Sangguniang Kabataan.
Sikaran is the ancient art of Filipino foot fighting. It is originated in Sitio Baras, the town of Tanay. We have a Sikaran gym called GSF Raven Sikaran located in 28A Bonifacio Street, Tanay, Rizal. Sikaran has a provincial resolution approved by the provincial government of Rizal, which is an ordinance number 002 Series 2010, ordinance declaring Sikaran as the provincial sport, providing mechanism and programs for its preservation and promotion, appropriating the necessary funds therefore, and for other purposes ordained by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Rizal in session duly assembled. Section 1, short title. This ordinance shall be known as the Sikaran Ordinance of 2010. Section 2, rationale. This ordinance seeks to declare Sikaran as the provincial sport of the province of Rizal. Sikaran is the ancient art of Filipino foot fighting that originated in the municipality of Baras, province of Rizal. It is distinct from other forms of martial arts as Taekwondo and Karate by incorporating arnis in the predominantly foot fighting technique, which has been taught and has been propagated locally and internationally for the past 40 years. While these historical perspectives depict Sikaran as an emerging Filipino creation in the field of martial arts, it cannot be overemphasized that Sikaran also imbues each Filipino with a tool for self-defense once mastery of the art is achieved. Sikaran gains increasing popularity in the country as it promotes the virtue of self-discipline and control, as well as healthy and simple lifestyle for the holistic development of the Filipino individual. These are the characteristics possessed by a Sikaran master that portray the purity of the Filipino ambition. The development of Sikaran as the provincial sport of Rizal will likewise assist the Rizal provincial government in its drive to counter drug addiction and juvenile delinquency by providing all Rizaleños, most especially the youth, an opportunity for self-excellence in the field of sports. This ordinance is in keeping with Section 19, Article 14 of the 1987 Constitution, which provides, to wit, the state shall promote physical education and encourage sports, programs, league competition, and amateur sports, including training for international competitions, to foster self-discipline, teamwork, and excellence for the development of a healthy and alert citizenry. Section 3. Integration in the Sangguniang Kabataan Sports Development Program. In order to mainstream, promote, and popularize Sikaran as a martial art in the province of Rizal, all Sangguniang Kabataan in the provincial, city, municipal federation, as well as in the barangay level, are mandated to include Sikaran in its regular sports development program. Section 4. Mainstreaming Sikaran in the educational institutions in various sports events in the province of Rizal. All primary, secondary, and tertiary public and private educational institutions are hereby encouraged to include Sikaran as a required subject in the physical education curriculum. The Sangguniang Kabataan Provincial Federation and the Rizal Youth and Sport Development Office shall coordinate with the Schools Division Superintendent Department of Education Rizal in the conduct of various activities, mainstream and promote Sikaran as a provincial sport. In order to mainstream Sikaran as a provincial sport, it shall be included as one of the sporting events in the Palarong Panlalawigan, Palarong Panlungsod, Pambayang, and Palarong Pambarangay, respectively as provided for under RA 7160, otherwise known as the 1991 Local Government Code. Section 5. Creation of the Rizal Sikaran Training Center. Supervision of the Rizal Sikaran Training Center, also known as RSTC. The RSTC, as herein established, shall be under the direct control and supervision of the Office of the Governor with a Senate Director as head Chief of Office, who shall be appointed by the Governor for a fixed term of 3 years unless sooner removed for just cause. Section 6. Rizal Sikaran Training Board. The board of the RSTC shall be composed of the Governor as Chairman and Sikaran Federation President as Vice Chairman, and 5 regular members to be appointed by the Governor, which shall be composed of representatives from duly accredited Sikaran organizations in the province of Rizal, which possesses reputable standing, and 2 representatives from the academe. The RSTC board shall serve as the policy-making body of the center to be vested with the authority to formulate appropriate Sikaran training programs and modules and perform such other activities, projects, and functions that will best attain the objectives of this ordinance. The RSTC board shall be responsible in the allocation, disbursement, management, and disposition of the Sikaran Development Fund hereinafter created consistent with existing auditing rules and regulations. The RSTC board shall likewise be responsible for the accreditation, training, and certification of Sikaran trainers, instructors, coaches, and referees in accordance with the guidelines it shall hereinafter formulate, and shall perform such other functions as may be provided by law or ordinance. Section 7. Annual Sikaran Roadshow. There shall be an annual Sikaran Roadshow in the form of provincial, city, municipal, and barangay tournaments, exhibits and forum, and such other similar necessary activities that will promote the advocacy of Sikaran, as well as to identify potential talents to be recruited as trainers of the center. Section 8. Sikaran Development Fund. There is hereby established a Sikaran Development Fund chargeable against any unappropriated sum from the provincial treasury. Thereafter, such amount needed to implement this ordinance shall be included in the annual appropriation of the province. Section 9. Implementing rules and regulations. Within a period of 45 days from the effectivity of this ordinance, the Rizal Youth and Sports Development Office jointly with the Sangguniang Kabataan Provincial Federation in coordination with the Schools Division Superintendent DepEd Rizal in consultation with duly accredited Sikaran organizations in the province of Rizal shall formulate the necessary implementing rules and regulations for the effective implementation of this ordinance, and the same shall take effect 15 days upon approval by the Governor. Section 10. Separability Clause. If, for any reason or reasons, any part or provision of this ordinance shall be held unconstitutional or invalid, other parts or provisions hereof which are not affected thereby shall continue to be in full force and effect. Section 11. Repealing Clause. All ordinances, resolutions, rules, and regulations and executive or administrative orders which are inconsistent with any of the provisions of this ordinance are hereby repealed or modified accordingly. Section 12. Effectivity. This ordinance shall take effect upon its approval. Enacted this 8th day of March 2010 at the GAT Jose P. Rizal Hall, 3F, Rizal Provincial Capital, Inares Center, Complex, Antipolo City. Signed by Joseph Cenudoza, Provincial Board Secretary, Engineer Frisco San Juan Jr., Presiding Officer, Vice Governor, Casimiro Inares III, Governor. Approved. This resolution is sponsored by Board Member John Lester San Juan, Board Member Benjamin Esguerra Jr., Board Member Emilio Tanhuatco III, Board Member Zoilo Tolentino Jr., Board Member Reynaldo San Juan Jr., Board Member Arwin A. Mariano, Board Member Narciso Villaran, Board Member Ronald Barcena, Board Member Wilmer Elago.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was